How to use potato to treat skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars easily at home. Today I will share an easy homemade DIY which is good for skin whitening and can be used 2 times in a week. It helps to remove pigmentation and discoloration. Ingredients you will need: 3 potatoes, 4 teaspoons of raw milk, 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Method 1. Firstly, peel off the potatoes and grate it with the help of a grater. Then squeeze out the juice from the potatoes and store it. 2. Now in a separate bowl, take 3 teaspoons of potato juice, 4 teaspoons of raw milk and 1 teaspoon of rice flour. 3. Mix all the ingredients well and your amazing face pack is now ready for use. 4. Apply this to your skin and gently massage for 3 minutes, then again apply one more layer and leave it for 15 minutes to let dry. 5. Then rinse it off with normal water. You must repeat this 2 times in a week for desired results. Rice flour has natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties. It is good for oily or acne-prone and dull skin. It is excellent anti-inflammatory and skin whitening agent that soothes sunburned skin and makes skin smooth and fairer. Potato contains whitening and lightening agent. It helps to lighten up the skin. It is great for dry and irritated skin. Potato helps in removing blemishes and hyperpigmentation. Raw milk is rich in vitamin B, alpha hydroxy acids, calcium and other potent antioxidants. It has so many skin benefits. It will nourish skin cells from deep within and keep skin moisturized all day.